The company I chose was PepsiCo. My name is Jasmine Lupercio, and today is May 14th, 2002, and my idea is Pepsi Popsicles. And it's for Internet Marketing 252, an online course. The executive summary. What exactly does Pepsi Popsicles do? Pepsi Popsicles blends in the craving for soda, or also known as pop, by combining the most popular flavors of the PepsiCo company. It not only cools down the customers, but it's also a very cool snack and satisfies sweet cravings for low calories. How does Pepsi Popsicles relate to the vision and mission of the PepsiCo company? It relates to the vision and mission because their mission is they want to create more smiles with every sip and every bite, and their vision is to be the global leader in convenient foods and beverages by winning purposes. By interlocking popsicles and pop flavors, it will not only be an easy transition, it will also open up the market for more global opportunities. Currently, Pepsi company doesn't have any type of food products relating specifically to frozen treats. Do we have competition? At this current time, there is no licensed soda popsicles at this time. There are some fan-made versions of popsicles, but nothing from a company. And there's a great market for entry, as being listed as number 63 in the Fortune 1000 company. They always need to be innovative and stay ahead of the game. How will this product affect the company image? It would not affect the company image in a negative way, since PepsiCo's current image since 2021 is smartness, youthfulness, and being fun. Company overview. What is PepsiCo known for? According to PepsiCo.com, they are known for snacks, soft drinks, dairy, juices, and grains, and encompasses world-famous brands such as Pepsi, Lay's, Doritos, 7-Up, Tropicana, and Quaker Oats, alongside our much-loved local and regional brands, including Walker's Crisps, Oliva Gazpacho, Duvia's Nuts, and Aguasha Baby Food. What is PepsiCo's target market? PepsiCo's target market is known for being ages 13 through 20 to 35 years old, from lower middle class to upper class with a busy and modern lifestyle. Their prices reflect that, staying affordable for millennials from different classes. How do we lead? PepsiCo holds the #1 position in leadership in salty snacks, opportunity to target other micro snack occasions, and they've had the #2 position of leadership in many markets that compete broadly. Analysis of the company's current digital marketing efforts. A discussion of the e-business model comprises of independent bottlers and distributors operating direct store delivery systems for beverages, foods, and snacks to retail stores. This distribution strategy works well with products where in-store promotion and merchandising affect commercial success. PepsiCo's statement of its value proposition. PepsiCo's core values include sustained growth, empowering people, trust, and responsibility. PepsiCo is a company that aspires to be the best both socially and economically, and therefore these values show what the company wants to be. Its online revenue streams, with 35% of revenue coming from food and the remaining 47% coming from beverage. PepsiCo is an empire that in 2017 made over $63 billion in revenues. North America beverage segment represents 33% of those revenue, with 58% of its revenue being in the US. And on here it shows a chart showing the net revenue, operating profit, total assets, and long-term debt from 2013 and 2017. Analysis of the company's current digital marketing efforts. The digital marketing strategies and tactics. Aggressive marketing is one of their strategies. So PepsiCo implements market penetration as its primary intensive growth strategy. This intensive marketing strategy supports both business growth through sales of increase, such as bigger market share. For example, as mentioned, PepsiCo uses aggressive marketing to attract more customers. PepsiCo employs a wide range of promotional strategies in order to reach out to its target customers. It runs advertising campaigns on television, social media, radio, print media, and other platforms. For the customer relationship management, better known as CRM, they currently use PepsiCo partnered up with Drinks Up My SAP. The global brand leader PepsiCo selected My SAP Business Suite as the primary business platform for unifying its operations, standardizing business processes, and increasing efficiency across its divisions. The US $27 billion convenience food and beverage company produces Frito-Lay's, snacks, Pepsi-Cola beverages, Gatorade, sports drinks, Tropicana juices, and Quaker Oats. SAP spokesperson declined to comment on the value deal in either dollars or seats. However, John Goizier, SAP's vice president of CRM product marketing, told CRM Buyer in an interview that PepsiCo selected MySAP to kick off a major business transformation for the company. Ultimately, this is an enterprise-wide decision, and the specifics being placed are being worked out right now. New product introduction. My new product idea is mixing soda, or also known as pop, with popsicles. It not only keeps consumers cool, but gives them a cool, refreshing break from when it's too hot to eat or drink something sweet. It's also planned words, and it will be easy to remember for our customers. The features will be a standard popsicle length and size, which is 4 fluid ounces. The stick will be 4.5 by 38 inch, which is standard size, and it will be made out of bamboo, which is economically resourced wood, or recycled wood. And this will help the company not only be ethical, also remain sustainable, which links up with their vision and mission. It will also be different colors depending on the flavors that are greenlit by the company, so this would require a taste test survey. Its benefits: popsicles help you drink more fluids and numb a sore throat when fighting a cold. Drink plenty of fluids and eat as many phlegm-fighting fluids as possible. Popsicles are one of the best options, and they are also the key success in hydration. Competitive advantage: ability to manufacture products at the lowest cost. Since it's popsicles, they just need to be using water, pop, sugar, and freezing. Niche strategies will be focused on conscious consumers, since we'll be focusing on shifting on sustainable efforts. The target audience is ideal target market, those who are nostalgic, who are family-oriented, frequent frozen treat consumers, the type of people who grew up eating popsicles and now want to buy them for their children. Organizational objectives for this new product, which is creating meaningful work opportunities in the company. They would help learn new skills, help launching successful careers, as well as diverse and inclusive workplace for those with different backgrounds and work experience, since we're bringing in different backgrounds. The social responsibility would be environmentally responsibility, and companies must maintain strong economic interests in order to remain in business. A company's social responsibility includes being profitable and providing value to its shareholders. Also, aspects of philanthropy: companies are expected to give back to their society in the form of charitable donations of time and money and goods. Every year, some companies donate 3% of their profits and thousands of hours to nonprofit community groups. I think this would be a good idea for them to partner up with a sustainable green company and help donate profits to those that keep our world sustainable. An objective example: so Ramon Laguda, who is the first Spanish CEO of a large American multinational company, will diversify PepsiCo's existing product lines to achieve 30% of total revenue from frozen products in the next 2 years. I believe this is an achievable objective, since not only are we going to be diversifying our PepsiCo company, our next target market is Latinos, and since there needs to be a shift in focus on them, I believe somebody with a Hispanic Latino background would be the perfect person to implement these strategies. The action plan, strategies, and digital tactics to support the new product launch. So the first strategy for Pepsi popsicles is to add them in college towns near beaches. Tactics, activities essential to success. So the short-term plans: So a quick one would be to set up Google Alerts for Popsicles Pepsi Summer and phrases related to PepsiCo Popsicles. That way we'll have a better idea of what consumers want and when they look at those keywords. Start a hashtag leading up to the summer launch. The hashtag would be hashtag Pepsi Popsicles. It would be great to use micro influencers since they have a niche target market. They'll be able to spread the word as we get closer to the launch date. PepsiCo could also partner up with summer festivals to offer free samples in exchange for them posting with the hashtag. This will not only promote ROI since we're getting users to invest in the company, but also to help promote festivals, and we could correlate popsicles with summer festivals to keep everybody cool. Strategy 2 for our action plan strategies, digital tactics to support the launch would be to add Pepsi Popsicle promotions advertisements near the end of the school year. This will help focus on children and family demographics. Parents will be able to help their kids stay cool if they're picky eaters by PepsiCo partnering up with schools in the end of the year celebration. Parents who sign up for email marketing will be able to take home free Pepsi swag. They can promote the popsicles and also get parents to promote the company. Kids would be able to vote for their favorite flavor of the Pepsi Popsicles and choose what type of flavors they would suggest to go together. This will help gauge what students actually want when it comes to their flavors and get a better idea of what is a hit for each niche target market. PepsiCo could hand out free samples of mini popsicles and they could take home or send them to schools with low income and higher needed resources. The reason we're targeting them is if we're able to get a target consumer to become loyal to the brand, it would be better, especially to those who don't have much, and this will help promote awareness. Action plan strategies and digital tactics continued. A digital marketing strategy would be to pair up with Roblox, for example, and they're able to use a mini mobile video game, which is Roblox itself. Parents and kids can complete an online survey in order for them to get PepsiCo Popsicles limited edition merch in the game. So in Roblox, they could dress up their characters or have Pepsi Popsicles in their hands. That would be a good hit with Gen Alpha. For evaluation, the evaluation of popsicles with PepsiCo integration can be determined by sales numbers. If the sales for popsicles are increased after integrating the product with different college towns and schools and online games, they'll be able to make adjustments, manage popularity by tracking how many consumers in the area buy. Customer responses with digital feedback from our online surveys and level of engagement that kids do with the in-app purchases with Roblox. They will also be able to track how well the marketing plan is doing and we can make any adjustments. Email metrics by tracking those who sign up for email updates with PepsiCo Popsicle products. They'll be able to track more with the click-to-open rate of emails. And evaluation again, video marketing metrics by using YouTube to see how many views the ads get. We'll be able to see the watch time for the users. And in the comments, we'll also be able to see the user experience and if it's having the desired effect we would like. Social media marketing metrics, seeing how well the product does on social media such as Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok to reach desired target audience. If the hashtags are being utilized, then we'll be able to see what the consumer is doing and better understand their behavior. A special thanks to the resources that I used. Slide Carnival for the slide, PepsiCo.com for their documents and transparency, and CRM for PepsiCo, business models, and human relations survey for responsibility. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much.